today we're making a new YouTube video. Yeah, it has been a long time, but today we're doing an unboxing video, and it's something about the Meta Quest. And today we're having Ali. Wait. Yes, he's gonna be the main antagonist because he's addicted to the Meta Quest.
No.
Besides,
Guys, yeah, come follow me.
and
Besides,
we have wait. And we have some games, but that's in a separate video.
so we literally have our Meta right.
And with
Over
the old
here.
boring head strap. And
Yeah,
guess
wait.
what?
Put the camera on my face.
Okay.
So this has like so less charge. When I was playing it,
Yeah.
yeah,
Once-
it has so less charge till now. Once I put that strap on this Meta, it will charge.
Okay,
so
that's
ready,
right.
guys?
The charging head
Oh,
strap.
sorry. Okay,
But
guys.
first of all, we have to like take a good detail, a good look.
So look at this cool thing.
Ooh. Okay, this is just the head strap. Like, look at the sides, top, bottom.
T1 charging head strap. I don't know if this is the real one because this is my first time. And look,
Most probably it's the real one.
and there's those things behind.
Yeah, QR.
Oh, yeah?
code, blah,
Look,
blah, blah.
product parameter, product name, T1 charging head strap, product size 10 times 9, blah blah blah.
And look,
Color Q2, Quest 2 white, Quest 2 black, Quest 3 white, and Quest 3 black.
look at you look at the top and the bottom. We have that's not about the bottom. We need to look
The
at
bottom is just you know.
Okay, let's start unboxing this.
So come on.
So we have this
So-
little ball thingy.
Wait, what?
What the heck?
Oh, wait, what?
What the heck? What is it? Taped?
Wait.
Guys. Come on, alright.
Oh wait, what?
What the? Bro does not know how to. Not you did. Okay,
Okay.
he finally did it.
Now time for the best parts.
Oh? Oh?
Oh. Dang.
Here.
Dang. Wait.
Before
We won't
look
start.
at the best
So
part
here's the map.
and
don't
how to
really
put
need
it
that.
on. Yeah.
Now time for this.
I'll unbox it one by one. Oh my god.
This looks so.
Bro, why is it way too long there? Okay. Look at this view. The poor box.
Okay.
Why did he do that?
Oh my god, this feels so good,
Wait.
guys.
Oh, you should really feel it. What's in the behind this? We have the actual head strap itself. We have the charging cable.
And this thing.
I think we actually need to check the instruction manual. What the heck? Yeah, I think we can. Oh wait, I do this. Record me.
All right.
Okay, so I think I know what this for. So like, if we just do this. 3, 2, 1. What? Oh. Wait. That's all.
Wait. Let me try. Take the camera. Take
Okay,
the
wait.
camera.
I think that's basically. Oh, okay. Now I pretty much. And we have this thing.
Wait.
Wait.
Let me Oh, dang.
Okay, wait, guys.
So no wonder what's this charging thing for.
Okay. Hello, guys. Wait, can you check if it stopped?
I
Wait,
think
Ali,
it's
check
like
if it
this.
stopped recording. Nope, still continuing. Okay. So like we have, what the heck is this? What the heck is this? Give me the head strap. What the heck is this? Like, what the hell are we supposed to? I think we do need instruction menu. Sorry, instruction menu.
Guys, we actually have the Meta over here.
Yeah, right here, the old one head strap, where we will replace it in this video.
Let's see, avoid Rob, especially.
Wait, well, I thought this wasn't a video. I thought this was a YouTube shot.
Inspect.
You not the map and use not being in the camera, man.
What's the? Oh, you can change the type.
Stop playing with it, actually. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
So this is actually a bit cool, Weewolf. What's this?
No.
Oh,
I
what
swear,
the
if you
heck?
break it, I'm going to
What
kill
the
your
heck?
ass.
What the heck? I don't know if you can see. What is this for anyway? What is this for? Let's see. Remember. Bro, this is useless as hell. What you do this? That is what you're supposed to do.
Should we actually see a YouTube instruction?
Hell no.
Yeah, we'll try to figure this out.
What's this? Oh.
What?
Oh wow.
What's that?
Oh, I think you need this to go. I have no idea. So.
Oh, Beavers. Oh, this thing?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, guys, you see me? You see this charging thing? You see this cable over here? Okay? You want to plug this into here.
For real?
Wait, what? Is it the opposite side? Yeah, I don't think.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Give it.
Let me see how comfortable is it.
Okay. Okay, this is actually pretty comfortable, Weeble.
Yo, guys, we actually give it.
Wait, give it a big job, baby.
We actually give it. Okay. So I have the charging cable, the old boarding thing we use. Oh, okay.
Okay.
And now, what's... Oh, this is the power on button.
Press it.
Wait, no.
Guys, by the way, there might be no meta videos, no meta games videos because like we don't have to do that random thing. No, I think.
Oh, wow.
It's glued up. Press the start button, wait.
Bismillah. Wait, do I have to hold it?
Try.
Wait. Okay.
It's obvious it's connected because it's like just blinked.
Okay, now we need to find a way to remove this strap.
Wait, record me being a man. Greatest moment in man history. Okay. Like first you do this and then
Try not to break it.
remove.
Oh my god.
And then like
You're damaging it.
hell no, I'm not damaging. Dang. Okay.
Now time for the real hard part.
And why the hell is the Meta Quest activated?
Just keep it
Now how do you
activated.
remove this son of a... Just... What's
Wait, I
this?
think I know. Hold the camera. Hold the in camera.
Hello guys, I can't see you at all. Where's the camera? Okay. Let's see. Warning: do not reduce restriction. Same thing as what the hell the instruction. Okay, I don't know how to remove this. Let's just avoid that.
Take the camera. Take the camera.
Okay,
I
take.
think I know.
You think you know? You think you know? You think you fucking know?
Okay. Oh my god.
What the heck are you even doing? What did you just do?
No, I just made it much taller.
If Bro somehow remove it, that shows that he's really addicted.
I'm addicted to this thing. I can't help it.
Are you destroying it?
wait, what?
No. What the fuck?
Move your big fat hand. I'm trying to make a video. Let me do it.
Bro, guys, you don't know how terrible this is. You're making it tighter. Ali, let me just do it. Take, record, maybe. This is like a 10-minute video now.
Oh. So like you pull this out. I removed it.
Wait, but we won't throw that strap. In
Of
case
course.
this strap breaks.
Yeah, we'll keep this like right here.
Now, it's time for me to do it. Hold the camera. No.
Hold the camera. Okay, so
Or
let's
else
see.
I won't record.
My video, my rule. Hey. Okay, fine.
Nice.
Guys, you don't know the things I do to make this guy happy.
Okay.
So, okay.
So, wait, what?
Just leave it.
Biba?
Hmm.
You son of a bitch.
That's how you do it. What are you doing? This is my masterpiece.
You made it the wrong way.
What do you mean? I make it that side even.
Yeah, see?
Let me see. Wait.
Look, wait.
Stop! Okay, much better. Let's see. Satisfying.
Wait.
Oh my god!
Oh my.
Huh? Wait, I'm making a video.
Oh my fucking god.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Do not deny.
You're not a man in here, dumbass.
Just God. Let me do it.
Wait.
Look at this dude. Just make me do it already.
Just make me.
Just make me do it.
Meanwhile.
Wow! You did not have to hurt me, Metal.
Let me do it, bro. Guys, comment down below who's more annoying, this guy or me. It's definitely this.
Oh, you know it's fine. You do it.
Yeah, record me. I keep telling you to make me do it, except you say no.
Shut the f-
Bro, so toxic.
Just like you, motherfucker.
Oh hell no. We really have to stop the meta quest.
Shake your bum bum, shake your.
Okay.
This is the longest video we had ever made.
Yeah.
A 13-minute video.
It's just boring of holding the.
Come on.
Oh my god. It doesn't align correctly, that's why. Wait. How the heck do you connect this?
Maybe ask our mom.
My phone.
Wait, I think I finally know.
What do you mean? This
Just
is
give it.
It's so impossible. What the heck? Oh?
Ooh.
Bro, you need to keep it. Wait. Multiply this by the time of x, and then you will get the answer. Bro, this is impossible.
I'm strong.
Let's go get some help. Let's just go get some help.
Yeah.
Oh wait, guys. Look at over here. First, yeah, okay. Okay. Formatted 2, formatted 3. I know what to do.
Man, this guy makes mistake every time in his life. You gotta make this faster videos, like a 15-minute video.
Shut up, stop on.
Why don't you shut up, dumbass?
Bro, this guy's so toxic.
Shut the hell up, you dummy.
We got this from Temu, guys, so most probably we are getting scammed.
Just hold the camera. Hold it.
You can't.
Hold
Let's go
Actually,
get help. Let's go get some help. You know,
Where to put here?
yeah, here.
Then
Ta-da.
It's charging.
وهذا how it will fit to your head.
It can.
How it can بالله.
I have no idea. Guys, I think it's working.
Yeah, did you just not hear that sound?
But first, let me open.
Was already on, is already charging.
I know, but how you will wear it?
I know how to work it. I'm a ninja. Yay.
Now hold the camera, hold the camera.
Nah.
Hold the camera.
Wait.
انزع نظاراتك ولبسه. انزع نظاراتك لتنكسر على راسك ولبسه.
Are you sure? How is it?
Just
Oh.
give it,
Wait.
give it.
How will? I honestly have no idea how to wear it. I think it's only for life.
Actually,
Wait, let's see if it fits for the one and only Ali. Does it, Ali? Oh. What? New film title. Got scammed from Temu. Give it. And meanwhile, let's get a sponsor break. Sponsor break of the video is Bateria. Obviously, I'm not getting sponsored, but we can make it.
while in the meanwhile, we show the camera, show the camera, show the camera.
We'll do a
Guys, while oh yeah.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, the thing on the back changes.
اضب على راسي. كل واحد يضب على هذا على قد راسه.
Wait, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Go away from mama. Go away from mama.
هاي. صور راسك.
I'm trying not to show so hard.
حتى لو تجي من جهة يا ابني مو شرط من قدام وجهك.
What the heck is happening? Wait.
Let's show from here.
Okay. Ali, what are you saying?
The headset power thing.
Okay. So we didn't get.
Let me look at myself in the mirror. Where's my hand tracking? Can you see how I look like? Oh, okay. No, I look. Why do I look like that?
Okay. It's officially working. Make it less tight now.
No.
Now we have to connect one more port. There's one more port we didn't connect. It's this thing. I
No,
don't-
it's okay.
yeah.
It's okay. Still works.
Okay. Yay, we can officially end the video. So, bye guys.